What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Auto is Motive. My name is Anis. Today we are going to be talking about Mobil 1 oil. We are not going to be talking about Mobil 1 oil. What? Can't even take myself seriously. Take two, we're not talking about Mobil 1 oil. We're going to be talking about the Tesla Model Y. Let's get into it. All right, everybody. So here's the deal. For those of you who are not on TikTok and you did not see what happened to my Tesla Model Y, my Tesla Model Y was damaged front and rear. It was quite unfortunate. It was so annoying to deal with, but it has been dealt with. I'm going to place the video right here so you can take a look. A couple months ago, I was driving back home from Big Bear, California, and I was on the 210 freeway heading west. And the freaking cage, I don't know what it was, a cage, an animal cage, something was just in the middle of the lane on the highway, and it hit my car, came out of nowhere. Unfortunately, I do not have the Sentry mode. I do not have the cameras recording. I don't know what was going on. My USB just wasn't recording. I don't have the footage. I wish I did. That's unfortunate. First thing that happened. Second thing, let's move over to the back. In the back here, sorry, it's a little dirty right now. It's been raining here in California. Back, we had damage down here to the plastic piece and the paint and the trunk. So, as you can see in the video of the damage, it was annoying. It was annoying to deal with. Within a few weeks of each other, we had two different damages on the car. It was ridiculous. Somebody had basically hit me when I was in a parking lot. It was annoying. But again, guys, as always, the most important thing is that you are not hurt or injured in any serious way, and your car is totally fine. It's not totaled, nothing crazy going on with it, right? So I wanted to show you guys a before and after because I want you to know that the early Model Ys did have problems coming out of the factory. My Model Y is actually ending in 15,524. Because I have an early VIN Model Y, it's really annoying to deal with these panel gaps that they had early on last. So let's take a close-up. Let's see what was changed during the process at the body shop, how it was fixed. Does it look better? Does it look worse? Who knows? I want you guys to tell me what you think. I want to do a before and after. I kind of want to see how it looked like before the body shop in terms of the hood, because the hood was damaged just a bit as well, so it was fixed. Joe's Auto Body and Paint, by the way, great in Temple City. Go check them out if you're in the area. Okay, so we had damage right here in the smack middle of the front bumper. There was a big gash, and all this kind of was damaged, and this big gash was kind of the only thing that was the biggest issue. We had small little scratches here on the hood, but that doesn't matter because the hood needed to be basically replaced or repainted. That's just the way it works. So with that being said, in terms of paint, the front bumper came out pretty nice, and all the lines and everything are just perfect. Joe did a wonderful job. For those of you wondering, these are not paint deficiencies or scratches, just bugs from the road and stuff. Okay, if we take a look at the hood looks like there is some gapping on the left and the right. It kind of looks like there's a little bit more space than before. We're gonna compare it right now. Let's check it out. You see, the problem is the way the Teslas are, even though it's perfectly aligned everywhere right here in the front, right, in terms of the headlights, nothing's popping out, everything looks really good. But the only problem is that the hood just doesn't really fit the car, right? It does not fit. So you're gonna get these big gaps here in the front, even though a professional body shop works on it and tries to fit it to the best of their abilities given with what they have. Obviously, we still got the other panel gaps all around the car. That has nothing to do with the actual accidents. All right, so let's take a look at the back. So the back was damaged on this plastic piece. That obviously had to be replaced 100%. Now, it was unfortunate with the hit because the hit did damage the actual back bumper, because this is the back bumper, and the trunk as well. But Joe did a great job in obviously replacing and fixing everything. He wanted to make sure everything works perfectly fine, which it does. The car still runs great. Everything is totally fine. You guys, here's the thing. I do not have any problems with Tesla, their cars, their technology. It's amazing. What I do have a problem with is the fact that these cars should not have been out of the factory with all these gaps and problems. They needed to fix that from the start and then send out these cars to consumers. So with that being said, there's a lot of different gaps right here and here that you can see that I really hate. It really bothers me. But at the end of the day, I do have something to tell you guys. So this Model Y is going back to Tesla. I am giving it back to them, and I will be lemoning the car. Now that is going to be a whole separate video. I am going to be talking about it in detail. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and obviously hit the like button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. It helps my channel, so on and so forth. You guys know what it's about. So smash that like button. You have to understand something. This car has been great. I have really liked it in terms of driving every single day as a daily driver. But this car has had one ongoing issue that has allowed me to basically use the laws here in California, which are the lemon laws, to basically get a new one. And yes, it's annoying. It's annoying that there was problems. I do understand that I did get one of the earlier models, and the earlier models did have problems. And this car, honestly, has just been a little bit of bad luck. I have to tell you guys, check this out. My freaking tire exploded last week. I had to just replace the tires. I had to tow my car, replace the tire. It sucked. The whole process sucked. Okay, come back here. So the thing is, this car has been great. The problem is, it's just a little bit of bad luck. I don't know what the heck is actually going on with this car, but it just keeps getting hit and damaged, and I don't know, just random things happening. And I'm talking to my lemon lawyer, and I'm like, this car, I don't know what's going on. It just really needs to go. But like I said, a full video will be coming out on the details about that. And if you are struggling or having a problem with your Tesla in terms of anything regarding a similar issue or an ongoing issue, I will be putting more information, especially to my lemon lawyer. He is amazing, in the next video. So look out for that. But again, thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you guys in this video what was going on with the damage, and go into more detail about it. I do post my short videos on TikTok, and I don't really go into detail much about them, especially in my response videos. But if you want like full videos, check me out here on YouTube, Auto is Motive. And if you want to see my personal account, I got all my personal stuff down in the description below, so go check that out. But again, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and notification bell for the next video. But anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good one.